hero sailed across the sea to save his dearest sisters so they could live in harmony. The bravest in the land, Ernest Abram. Ernie got into trouble. Ernie got into trouble with the Navy. With the Navy. He took a boat to Canada. He took a boat to Canada. He tried to save the day. Tried to save the day. He sailed far away with no permission. As he sailed towards the sun, full of love and sacrifices, but they'd already gone, taken away, heartbroken. His story makes us think about when to stand up for what's right in our lives. Ernie was brave. He never saw his sisters again. He sank to the bottom of the sea, blasted by a submarine.